this is not just only talking about the future. This moment, it is also equally important to recognize each and every one of us around. This is not just a commemoration of success, but also commemoration of commitment to further better ourselves and to further better serve our members.
The systems we have built, the products we have introduced, and the policies we have put in place are all contributing to greater stability and growth. Overall, their steady performance highlights the trust of our members in accessing our credit services and demonstrate our ability to manage growth sustainably.
Back, I feel proud of how far we have come. And as I look forward, I feel hopeful for what lies ahead.
If they are not anchored on our values, bisan pagkaunsa pa kanindot kaayo ng mga plano o mga dreams, mawa ra gyud.
I want you to picture out that you are a part of a better Bansalan Co-op. We are better now, but we want to be better and better and better for the future.
A vision has finally come true and it has been possible. So when we acknowledge the hard work of our colleagues, we are not just giving them a moment to shine, but we are inspiring others to follow. So hopefully, in the future, we will have this kind of event and hopefully, mas ipag kanano daghan kay mi kasi kasuhon na plaki okay ra gyud tayo sa ama. As long as you deserve it.
Each of us has different nga mga roles. If we perform our duties well and with heart, it's a true success. And the success of one, ako, kamo, kitang tanan, is the success of all.
This Congress reminds us that together we are stronger. Together we can achieve more. Together we can make a lasting change in the lives of our members and in the community we serve.